So we're making.
Hello there.
We're making. Oh no, we're not making this one.
We're making blueberry jello.
No, I thought we were making.
No, we're making blueberry.
But I don't need them. I don't need blueberry.
Alright, go get the lime. We're making lime. We're making lime. We're making lime. Okay. So,
Do you know how to do this?
yes, I've made jello many times. in
Okay,
my
do we
day.
need a bowl? Should I get a bowl? Hold on.
No, it's okay. I have it.
We need to make this video as short as we can, okay?
Okay. So we even have instructions. This is how nice. That's all we get, powder. Okay. No. Now, we need to open this up. How the hell? Heck. How do I
Warning happened.
cut to commercial? We have instructions. Okay. Number 1. Dissolve 1, 2, 3, 4 serving size jello jelly powder in 11 to 2 cups of boiling water. Okay, I can do that. Throw that, put some hot water in that, Brooklyn. I'm such an idiot. This is how to make a dessert. I'm such an idiot. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know how to make jello though. It's easy. Okay. I just gotta find how to. No, we don't need the boiling water. I just gotta find it. Brooklyn, give them company.
I'm gonna pause the video because we're trying to make this video as short as possible.
We're just gonna ask my mother.
Yeah, I'm gonna try out gold filters. Okay, so we're clearly stupid. We need to pour.
Go, pour it out. Okay. Clearly, we're the dumbest people on the earth.
Wait, don't we need like a straw or something?
I got it.
We need a cup of water. I'm gonna get a cup of water.
Okay.
How much water do we need?
Need 2 cups of water.
Like this?
Oh, I love the smell of lime. Smell it.
I'll smell it.
Smell it.
Oh.
Sorry with this light, guys. Like, this lighting's terrible. My kitchen.
Okay, so like cups like these?
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna move you guys. We're gonna go right here. Okay.
Okay. This is better lighting now. We need vacuum.
What are you doing? No, they need to see. Okay. They can see that. Yes. Okay.
Wait, we need another cup. Should I just like pour them in?
Yes, you get it. Okay. So we're gonna pour that in. I just had the most amazing idea.
Next, we're gonna pour this. Oh,
2 different kinds of jellos. Yes.
we're mixing this. Why does it look like sea salt? Bath salt would have been.
We are geniuses. Well, I am.
We're mixing 2 different jellos. Yay! Oh, we need to stir it.
This is gonna be so delicious.
No, it makes
Maybe we should get a bigger bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. So we have 1 cup of hot, 1 cup of cold.
Wait, no, I'll pull it. Yeah.
Just stir the powder up.
Wait, you need a bigger bowl. I'll get a bowl. Get a bigger bowl. Hey, Jordan, bigger bowl.
Why?
This.
It'll be fine. Okay, 1 cup of cold. That's a lot of hot water, by the way.
Okay, done.
So, now we are gonna
I'm gonna pour a little bit.
stir all this up. Weird Jesus. Don't say we're doing this wrong because I know we are doing this right.
I want to pour some in.
Okay. Would you look at that? Do we stir it, Mother? I think we do. I don't know anymore. Oh, would you look at it? It's just beautiful.
Beautiful. They can't see me.
Guys, look at that color. Why do I feel like I'm on a cookie channel now? Is that normal? Am I supposed to feel like that?
No.
Not. So I guess you just like do this for like a little bit. We can just put it on our faces. Well, it's on your face, but it's not on mine.
Because you're tall.
So like you just do this for maybe like a couple hours.
Okay, we're done.
And then we'll have a progress in the morning.
Yeah, we're
Or
gonna.
maybe a second video. Part two.
Or we can just pause the video.
Smell that. St. George is the smartest human being in the world.
Jordan's the smartest human being in the world.
Look emo tonight. How long is this video?
7 minutes.
Wow, we did surprisingly good.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it in the freezer now.
The freezer, because that's where Jello goes, Brooklyn.
Yeah, yeah. Fridge. Wait, let's add it.
Wait, Bob. 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 She might be asleep. Oh, quick, keep stirring.
Okay, so it says the total how to stir jello. Okay? So you just want to get like nice texture. Look at that texture. Oh, that thickness. Oh, that thickness.
Honestly, I'm the stupidest person in the world. Like, I just can't do stuff on my own without knowing for sure. Like, honestly, don't trust me anywhere or I will probably burn down your house.
Oh yeah, remember when you almost burned down your house?
I almost burnt out my old house, guys. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the fridge. Brooklyn, turn the camera around.
Okay, so I'm recording on my laptop, so it's hard to do.
Give it. Make sure there's like no powder left. There isn't. It's just like gelatin.
Wait,
That disgustingness.
wait, I have an idea. We could stop the video and then I could save it to my laptop, and then in the morning we can make another video.
Why are you telling them this? They don't.
And
need
then
to know.
I could add it together. Like,
Well, now we're gonna put it in the fridge, and then you can see our enemy's Jello right there.
oh, let's see how that one turned out.
It's soliding. It's not ready yet. Ours is still gonna be better.
Okay. So if it's not done in the morning, we'll make another video checking up on it.
And that is how you make Jello.
Yes. Okay, so we'll tell you in the morning when we are done. We'll give you news in the morning. So bye. Say bye until the morning.
My peeps.
Peace.